Hey artists, it's Ms. Messer. Good morning. And today we are going to work on making a cube out of paper to begin a sculpture that's going to be about different styles of houses. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the supplies you're going to need some glue. And I have pre-cut about, I'm going to take this away. I have pre-cut about 12, a whole bunch of these little pieces of paper. You need 12. And you are going to very carefully take this piece of paper, each one of them, and fold it lengthwise. So you're going to fold it, match it up. This is a time when you really need to be precise. This cannot be sloppy. It cannot be messy. You've got to make it crisp. You've got to make those edges match up, okay? So I've got one here. I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to just start actually with 4. So there's 2, 3, and 4. So I've got 4, and this is when I'm going to grab my glue. And these first 4 we're going to use to make a base. So I'm going to take one of these strips of paper that's folded, and on the bottom edge, I'm going to put 1 dot of glue on the side and 1 dot of glue on this side. And then I'm going to grab one of my other strips of paper, and I've got to make sure that my paper is right in the corner. The corners are matching up. So you can't have, it's not sloppy, it's not like this, not like this. You've got to make sure it's matching up and it's forming a 90-degree angle. And you're going to press that down in the corner. Here's mine. And then you're going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to fold that up. Okay? You're going to do the same thing over here. So again, being precise, making sure you're matching up corner to corner. You're going to put that in. You're going to press down and you're going to count to 5. You got to press down really hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Looks like that's just a little bit crooked, so I'm going to fix it before it dries. Same thing over here. You're putting dot of glue, and then here's your last little piece. Here's the base, all fixed up. Put your fingers in each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you're going to set that aside, and you're going to do one more of those. Okay, so here's my other one. I've got 2. And then I'm going to grab 4 more strips. I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to fold them in half, long ways, press in the middle, and I got 4 of them, okay? So then I'm going to grab either the base or the other one's going to become the top. And you're going to essentially kind of make it look like a table. So you're going to take your strip of paper, and at the bottom outside this time, before we did on the inside, you put 1 dot of glue in each corner. And then you're going to press it in there. Okay, remember to be as exact as you can, as precise as you can. You're going to press and you're going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to go through and do that in each corner. Let me show you that one more time. So you're going, remember before it was the inside, now it's the outside. Outside, 1 dot of glue in each corner. Take it into this corner, back it up, pinch it, count to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the solution to it not working is not always adding more glue. In fact, that can make it worse. The solution to it not working is making sure you only have a dot of glue on and then adding that pressure. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm actually pressing really hard on this. So keep pressing. And I'm going around in each corner outside of my strip. Pressing in the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I have something that looks like this. Kind of looks like a table. I'm going to take my other piece that I had made, and I'm going to go around and put a dot of glue on the outside of each of these. I got a dot of glue on the outside of each, and then I'm going to lay this on top. And I'm going to pinch, oops, hello. I'm going to pinch and squeeze each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. And you're going to notice, I think this is the hardest part, because this is when it starts to be like, if anything is not precise, it starts kind of popping off. That's okay. You just got to keep working with it. And if something is really not working, just kind of tear it off and keep it moving. Make it work. You're going to see mine. It's not perfect. Mine's not perfect. That's fine. I don't expect perfection from myself, and I don't expect it from you either. But I do expect everybody to give it a really good try. Make sure you're following the directions, and then you're going to end up with a cube. This is really cool. And we are going to use this cube as the base of a house, a building, an apartment, something architectural. All right, let's get started, you all.